favorite cars ever made, the Ford GT, the newer one. The old models are cool, but the new one, design aspects, incredible, crazy design. It's truly, truly impressive. Carbon fiber everywhere. I hate BMWs. It has the carbon package, so literally has the diffuser, the whole bonnet, wing, everything is carbon fiber, inside carbon fiber, full carbon fiber wheels, as you could tell. I love the color too, it's a great color. Customer wanted a flashier color, but he settled with this apparently. I told him he did an amazing job because this gray on carbon fiber is so perfect. These things have tripled in value. It's ridiculous. We're super hard to get. You had to be picked by Ford. You had to do an application and get picked by them. They did a great job on this car. Marketing, sales, it's just been such an incredible car. Motor could be a little bit more powerful, bigger. They opted for that V6 twin turbo EcoBoost, pretty much kind of like the Raptor engine, a little modified. This thing would be sick with a V8 twin turbo or 10-cylinder, 12-cylinder, whatever, but that's not what they were planning with this car. Suspension is insane. The way it goes up and down to track mode, the lifter in the front, obviously we're used to where it takes a while to go up. This thing instantly goes up and down, which is crazy. We did some work on this that I'm not going to talk about, just very, very light work, nothing significant, but we're going to keep that between the customer and us. But obviously with a Ford GT, which is almost about $1 million, if not more valuation now, got to be super careful with it. Customer trusted us. The job turned out perfect, to be honest. Nothing to do with the value or anything like that. Incredible car. Hope you guys enjoyed the little content on it.
Has to be there, huh?
Yes, sir. Rondo, you might have to talk to man.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a BMW M8 Competition here. This car is in here for a few things. Santos at the moment is taking care of the brakes. Front and rear brakes on this car already down to just about 0. You guys can see there's hardly anything left. Lights on. And also, you guys know this car has white calipers. This thing, because of all the brake dust, it gets super dirty. So let's see if this thing will clean off a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Much better. So now let Santos continue his job.
Good customer with the chrome red Huracan. We're fixing a little thing on his car. He brought us over some tequila. I'm not going to plug it because they don't deserve it. But John and Pete's Fine Wine and Spirits on Los Angeles Melrose here in Los Angeles. I'm going to give this some roses because he's probably going to get drunk right now. And look how happy he is.
Oh, yeah.
Can Moses take a
This
shot
is
at
good.
work?
No, we can't drink that word. We don't drink
If
that word.
Sarkis smelled that, he'll throw
But
up.
this is good. Yeah, this is like Gatorade for me. You know how people love Gatorade? I
It
love it.
dehydrates you, this one?
I love it. This is good. This is like Pepsi for me. I love it. Cheers. Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Out here on Sunset. You guys just saw that F8 Tributo leave. We did that car before, sold it to my other customer, so we put the stock cats back on, and now we put it back to straight pipe. So I love the F8. That thing is gorgeous. We're gonna be doing the first carbon fiber body kit from 1016 Industries on that thing in the world. So stay tuned for that in about a month. That kit is being built right now. Super excited about that.
Can I get my check?
Do you deserve it?
Yeah.
If you don't give him his check, he can't pay for his car.
That's very true. So he can't get to work, so it'll be like a regular thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Might be better
choose one.
actually.
It's all, look, there's no names. He's gonna pick one, that's the one he's gonna get.
Okay, fine.
Okay, promise?
So you're gonna just pick one,
Okay.
and that's the check you're getting.
So promise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't touch it. That's the one?
Yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sure, you can have that.
It's John?
It's John's, yeah.
Okay, we'll give you yours, but you have to do a thing. Hula hoop.
Okay. Let me see it first.
You don't think I have your check?
No.
Have you never gotten your check here before?
Okay, but maybe
You always get it, right?
maybe you don't want to give me a check back.
Just do this and I'll give it to you.
No, I don't believe
Okay, if I give you a check, you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, give him a check.
Or, do the hula hoop, I'll give him a check and a $50 bonus for doing the hula hoop.
Yeah, I believe you guys.
Okay, so I'm not gonna give you the
first.
check.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna give you a check, we're gonna give you extra 50.
No, you guys are gonna do something crazy.
We're not.
Okay,
I
then
promise.
forget
Give
the
me my
50,
check.
then we'll give him the
Okay,
check.
fine.
You just lost $50.
Dude, you could have
He could've, I was gonna give you the 50.
I think they did something with my check.
Why would they do something like that?
I don't play with people's money, man. You just
could've
lost
gotten
$50 right now. Literally. He'll do it. You want 50 bucks?
What? What?
By the way, this is Marvin. Marvin is employee of the month for many months already. So
Yeah, he's good, he's good.
good job,
He
Marvin.
deserves the 50.
Yeah, he's a
Yeah,
good
here,
You know
polisher.
what?
have 50 bucks.
You're
Here
right,
you go.
you're right.
Here. Have
He's a good polisher.
There it is. And here's the extra 50 that he was gonna get if he listened to Vic.
There you go.
There you go.
All right, guys, we got this brand new Lexus behind me. This is, what is this, Moses?
It's an NX Sport.
NX Sport? F Sport?
Yeah, NX.
We don't do too many Lexuses, so I'm not really that familiar with it. This car's white. This is actually Logan Paul's chef's wife's car. Yes. Reached out, wanted to go from white to black, satin black. Looks amazing, actually. Everybody's been looking at this car all day. I mean, satin black looks good on anything, even this F Sport Lexus. Powder coated black wheels, black trims, all that stuff, the usual stuff. For a little SUV with red interior, satin black, this looks pretty cool. I think Moses wants to buy this car. He likes this car a lot, right, Moses?
It's a nice car. Oh yeah. You can't go wrong with Lexus. It's the luxury edition of Toyota.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's really nice. I would love one, yeah.
This could be your Urus.
Are you gonna smoke me too with your Lexus
No,
F Sport?
no, this one won't be the Urus for sure.
No, but like your version of a Urus.
Look how
Yeah.
ugly that car is over there.
Yeah.
How ugly is that car? Honestly, and the back is worse than the front. So
I don't think he's gonna keep it that long. Sarkis will get rid
to
of
be
that
honest
car.
with you, the car looks like Sarkis.
No, but he's gonna get rid of the car. He won't keep it that long.
No, but it's like bloated and I don't know.
Hey, the interior. Look at this car. Look how nice the interior is.
Everybody's gonna talk about door jams. By the way, door jams, customer didn't want to do it. Disclaimer. Red and black interior, yeah. Just don't open the doors. So some people don't care about door jams. Obviously, it's additional. This customer did not really care for it, so we didn't touch door jams. But yeah,
It's nice. If you want a reliable car to drive for like 20 years, you can drive this for like 20 years. Easy.
you want to drive this for 20 years?
You could. All you have to do is do oil changes and brakes, and that's it. You don't have to do anything on this car.
This drives itself, man. It's good.
Now, this is a smart investment. That one, I don't know. But this one is.
Well, according to your paycheck, Sarkis should be driving something like this, not that, right?
Probably like 500 a month.
Yeah.
This one?
around.
Yeah. Maybe.
It's great for 500 bucks. Why is your door open? Hey, let's get mayonnaise and put it on this. What can we put? Hold on.
Ocean?
I have lip balm. Chapstick. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it will. That's it. He can move if he's gonna get out of here fast.
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna go do after work, Sarkis? Like right now, where are you gonna go home?
Yeah.
And then what? Shower and then hang out, or are you gonna go out with your friends?
No, I was gonna go home, chill.
Just home and chill. You want us to come over? Sure. You have PlayStation 5?
Yeah.
Alright.
See you guys. After this one. Fuck, I have to wash my car now tomorrow.
It's not like you were gonna wash it. You wash your car before customer cars.
So I need you guys to tell him that you guys want him to do that blonde segment. So read the comments. They're gonna let you know that they really want to see this happen.
These have to be more than 50,000 likes.
No.
5,000? 10,000?
Yeah, 10,000 likes.
Okay, 10,000 likes.